Not sure which gimbal mode to use on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? It's actually very simple once you know when to use which one. In this video, I'll explain the right gimbal mode for every situation so your shots always come out smooth and professional. So let's get started. First, turn on the camera, swipe down to bring the control center. Now select the gimbal modes from the right corner of the second row. Here you will get three options like follow, tilt locked, FPV, and FPV locked. Follow option works for smooth pan and tilt, which is best for vlogs and walking. Then tilt locked, it keeps tilt steady. This is good for steady forward shots. Then FPV, this is more dynamic, follows roll as well. And finally FPV locked. In this mode, the camera's tilt is locked at the right angle, perpendicular to the handle. It will maintain this position even if you restart the camera or recenter the gimbal with the double press of the button. The camera's roll is also unlocked, just like in standard FPV mode. You can choose what mode you need. By understanding these different gimbal modes and how to switch between them, you can significantly enhance your video production and capture a wide variety of professional looking shots for any situation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.